Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
What is going on, guys? Peep the freaking dope shirt I got from Automotive Army. It's actually pretty sweet. It's got like actual CCWs, but they look a lot like my XXRs that I have on my 2 valves. So I had to get this shirt because it looks similar to my car. I have the same bumper, even though this is actually a Terminator. I know, whatever. What I'm doing today is, I'm not 100% sure, but I know I'm gonna go work. I'm probably not gonna work on it, but I'm gonna go watch my friend work on his Integra that he has up at AutoZone. That's where he works, and I guess he started working on his car there, and now he's stranded there, and he's got to complete it there. So we'll go see what he's doing. We'll go check it out. Let's see. Oh, there they are. Would you look at them working on the Integra? Parked next to the shitty ass Civic. He actually just got the bumper repainted on this car, and it looks good. He got new headlights, new fender, new bumper, fresh. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks so much better.
On the Rust Integra, once again, told caliper off, but this pin that goes to the e-brake line, it's seized in there, so
Just take a saw to it.
I actually did that to my tie rod the other day.
Look how tinted his car is.
Oh, you got it tinted?
Oh yeah, I got tints in the meantime.
Dude, it looks sick. Oh man, I haven't never seen the Integra tinted. That looks really solid. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Dude, that looks really good, dude.
It does.
That looks sick.
It was so needed.
It looks mean.
I can't believe I never did it. I fucked up.
It's alright, Mike. I
Piece of
tinted
shit.
your car for you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
You should put coilovers on it for me too.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm not gay. I'm not a racer.
You're right, I should get some strange adjustable shocks. And fucking...
I mean, if you want to go fast.
What springs do you have?
I like.
Oh, okay.
Fucking nicer.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh my golly.
Fresh piston.
God
Nice.
damn it.
I don't know why you need all this stopping power.
That's true. Looking some silicone.
Look at this fucking piece of shit.
Easy, I need to return that as a core, bro.
That damn ass rock.
Damn. You guys want to do something gay? You want to pee on it? Pee on this damn ass rock?
Ooh.
Want one too?
Yeah.
Alright guys, for all you millennials out there, the new word is cock. Instead of saying, oh that's lit, we're gonna start saying that's cock. I mean, I know it's an old school term, but I'm trying to bring it back. So throughout the whole video, you're gonna hear me say, that's pretty cock, that's cock. Or instead of saying, oh this is my homie, you go, this is my cock, you know, like like the cameraman right here. He's my homie, but he's really,
I'm his fucking
this is my main cock right here. This is my cock.
It's all his.
Oh, that's pretty cock, dude.
That is
What's
cock,
going on?
dude.
That's cockpit.
This new caliper is
Looks like a
cock
cock
as
ring,
fuck,
dude.
dude. Look at this cock.
Dude, this is the fucking cockpit right here. Come on, guys, pile in. It's the cockpit.
Welcome to my cockpit.
Oh yeah, that Mustang looks good. Those stock
Nothing,
wheels.
just absolutely nothing to admire.
Yeah, you're right.
But this
It actually,
headlight.
it does look really good. I feel like that Clay Bar did some.
Yeah, it used to be way more fucked. I feel like. It's still fucked. It's not as fucked.
Yeah, we don't even need to put music. We don't even need to put background music. We're just gonna play that in loop the whole video. What's the full setup?
Megan racing headers to test pipe.
NVIDIA test pipe.
NVIDIA test pipe to a, what is it, a resonator of some sort?
Yeah, it's just a Yonaka cat bag.
So
It's got a
Yonaka
resonator.
cat bag.
Wow, this thing's not stock. Homemade intake
Yeah, it was like,
with the awesome spray painted striped hood. Zebra hood.
it's
the zebra hood.
It's an ice cream paint job. I got that tubing for free. It was like $30 for like the filter and the coupler.
Oh shit. God damn it. This thing gets dropped all the time. It's indestructible. I dropped a hood on this. Well, my dad slammed the hood on it.
Boom!
He
Boom!
slammed
It's not
it
closing.
twice. He's like, why isn't it closing? Like, because the fucking camera's there.
Alright, we're gonna install a big brake kit on this. As you can see, we got some fucking monster pads here.
It looks like it came from a Schwinn. Are those CTSV brakes?
Yeah,
for brake lubricant.
I guess this is what it's like to drive an Integra. This is as fast as it'll go. That needle is pinned. You need to have your hazards on because the car is broken down, dude. Hey, you need to keep your hazards on. Your car is broken down.
You're gonna kill his battery.
Well, his battery's probably already killed.
Oh boy, this thing is fucking cocked. The other night when we were working on this, I was in here taking off the caliper. I lifted my head up and busted. That's probably my fucking hair right there, bro.
It is.
That's my hair. I busted my head on this shit. Stabbed myself in the head. I forgot that, dude, when you're working on Hondas, you gotta be up to date on your tetanus shot. Listen to that.
Safety first. This bad boy. 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. That's pretty cock.
I'm just busted.
Mike, why is your Civic over here?
It's not redlining.
It's not, but it's VTEC, dude. VTEC. Let's see, man. Let's see how it's coming along.
Howdy.
Damn, boy. I'm not into like the whole fitment thing, but yeah, it looks pretty good.
Fitment is one thing, but you also don't want it to be like sunken in.
No,
It
I know.
looks stupid.
I know. I like
It was.
I like it looking.
The only issue is that this face here is too small of a bore.
Damn, Mike over here looking like Salt Bay.
Hold it. Yeah, we're gonna try pop starting it really quick.
Battery's dead.
I knew it.
You need to have your hazards on because the car is broken down, dude.
Fuck you, Brandon.
I didn't do shit.
You were wailing on my horn.
Yeah.
All right, do it.
Oh, that pedal feels good, man.
That's what it sounds like. This is it, moment of truth. We're finally done. Yep. Yep.
See, it drops it.
Oh yeah.
Besides like the
Cool.
side skirt being up and the bond
this is your good side. Let's go wash this bitch. All right. We made it to the car wash. This is actually the car wash in my previous video, well, a couple videos back actually, where that orange Mustang was, where he was cleaning his car. My 2-valve was parked back there, and that is actually where the 2-valve got wrecked. You know, my buddy's car rolled into mine. So we're here. Hopefully this car doesn't get wrecked. I'm gonna clean it here. I normally don't use car washes. I normally do it at home, but this car has been neglected and needs to be cleaned really bad.